Hello, this is Joel Matthew Alfred, UR15 CS342, and this is my ninth program in C++, that is parent function. Now the aim or the question is to create a class named distance with its data members feet and inches. One constructor should initialize the data to 0 and another should initialize it to fixed values. Another member function should display it. The final member function should overload plus operator so that two distances can be added together. Make it as a friend function. So let's move on to the program. As usual, we start with the header file. That's hash include stream and using namespace standard. We create a class distance and take two member variables, feet and inches. That's integer feet and float inches. Now we initialize the necessary constructors, public distance of feet 0 and inches 0, and similarly distance int f and float inches, feet f and inches in. Thus we initialize the necessary constructors, and then we make a display function void display to display the output in feet and inches. That is as given over here. See out the distance entered, feet and inches. Then we declare the friend operator functions by prefixing the word friend before the operator functions. Now we initialize the friend functions outside the class and write the code for adding values in feet and inches. Then we, as given over here, friend distance operator plus distance d1, distance d2, friend distance operator plus float d1, distance d2, and then distance operator plus distance d1, distance d2, and distance temp dot feet is equal to d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet, and temp dot inches is equal to d1 dot inches plus d2 dot inches. And if temp dot inches is greater than equal to 12, temp dot inches is equal to minus 12, temp dot feet plus plus, and return temp. Distance operator plus float d1 distance d2, int tf is equal to d1, float ti is equal to d1 minus tf into 12, and distance temp dot feet is equal to tf plus d2 dot feet, temp dot inches is equal to ti plus d2 dot inches. Now if temp dot inches is greater than equal to 12, temp dot inches is equal to minus 12, and temp dot feet plus plus, then return temp. Now we initialize main function along with two objects with predefined values, that is distance d1 of 10,3 and distance d2 6,3, and we store it in another object, that d3 is equal to d1 plus d2 and d4 is equal to 15.23 plus d2. Then we display it d3 dot display and d4 dot display. Then we manipulate values to check if function overloading is working or not. So that's the end of the program. Now let's run the program. So the output is the distance entered 16 feet 6 inches, the distance entered 21 feet 5.75999 inches. So that's the end of the program.